मैं तो इसको देख के गिर गई थी, genuinely मैं गिर गई थी. मेरा फर्स्ट टेक था. I came running and धाड़ I fell on the floor. I hurt my knees really bad.
I think she should be more socializing because she doesn't step out much. And she prefers to be at home.
So we were meeting first time on set, so I went through his Instagram profile, and when I met him, he had gained weight. He looked different from that, and then I even after the shoot I asked him, and then he's like, "Nahi, abhi out of work and this that." So yeah,
Berozgari.
Oh my god.
That was one thing.
Who's most likely to forget lines?
I forget lines.
मैं नहीं भूलता, मुझे पता है बस.
Hi everyone, this is your host Riya, and today we have with us Parth Samthan and Khushali Kumar here. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
Instant Bollywood.
Thank you.
for having us.
कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया.
बढ़िया.
आप कैसे हो?
I'm also good. I just love the Punjabi Munde energy of yours.
Yes.
Yeah, thank
And
you.
congrats for Good Chadi. Really loved the trailer. Really loved your performance. So energetic. सब कुछ है. Roller coaster है.
Very
बहुत
instant
मजा आया.
Bollywood.
Yes, instant it is. So what's special Good Chadi has given to you? ऐसा कुछ special?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें, सब चीज़ें ही आई थिंक स्पेशल है.
really-
पहले तो हिलेरियस स्क्रिप्ट है, संजय सर है, रवीना मैम है, पार्थ समधान है एंड अरुणा जी है. तो आई थिंक ओवरऑल ही बहुत ही अच्छा, पूरी एक अच्छी फिल्म है एंड आई एम वेरी लकी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस.
Yeah, true. आपकी जो ऑन स्क्रीन जोड़ी है वो हम 9th of August को देखने ही वाले हैं बहुत ही जल्दी. बट अगर लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री, आपका फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन कैसा रहा था? व्हाट वाज योर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ऑफ ईच अदर व्हेन यू
मैं तो इसको देख के गिर गई थी, genuinely मैं गिर गई थी. मेरा फर्स्ट टेक था. I came running and धाड़ I fell on the floor. I hurt my knees really bad.
Are you for real?
Yeah. Seriously.
Yeah.
That seriously that happened
Accident
on
हुआ था
the first take. Thankfully he was very nice. He did not laugh. अगर जो मेरी friends होते हैं या मेरी बहन होती है वो हंस के पागल हो जाते हैं. Seriously, that's why I felt that he was very nice and sweet person.
Instead, I
And he
got
told me that.
Savlon for her with the cotton this thing.
And he
then I
was
tried
That
to-
is so
he tried to
sweet.
put Dettol, but then I was like, "तो chance मार रहा है," because I was like, "You're coming behind me like this, don't."
कदर ही नहीं है, मतलब अच्छे लोगों की
care of
कदर ही
it,
नहीं है.
yeah.
No, but he was very sweet, very warm. The best thing which I liked about him that he did not laugh. He actually came and he helped me, though everyone else started laughing.
And also Good Chadi, I'm personally very excited to watch because ऐसी स्टोरी एकदम ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स है, एकदम क्या पता क्या कहाँ होने वाला है. जो दोस्त फिर जो प्यार में बने और वो जो प्यार है वो भाई बहन में बनेंगे, क्या पता क्या होने वाला है. इट्स
उनके ही कैसे तो
लाइक अनएक्सपेक्टेड यार. सो आई वांट टू नो कि ऐसा कुछ टिपिकल सीन या फिर ऐसा रोमांटिक सीन आप जब कर रहे थे तो ऐसा कभी इच्छा हुई कि यार मैं ये रियल लाइफ पार्टनर के साथ करता या करती तो बड़ा मजा आता. ऐसा कोई सीन था पर्टिकुलर?
गाने जो बेसिकली
all scenes are nice.
मेरा हमेशा से था पर्सनल लेवल पे कि मुझे भी ऐसी एक लड़की चाहिए जो बहुत फिल्मी टाइप कि जब मैं उसको देखूं तो पीछे गाने बजे और ब्लोअर से बाल ऐसे लड़खड़ाए, उसके बाल उड़े, मैं उसको देखता रहूं, वो मुझे देखता रहे, वो एकदम आई कांटेक्ट, द ब्लशिंग, रोमांटिक सॉन्ग, डांसिंग विद हर, जो कि पंजाबी मुंडे में हुआ है. जब मैं पहली बार उसको देखता हूँ, जब चिराग उसको देखता है तो
लव एट फर्स्ट साइट
टाइप वो सब. तो yeah, very filmy. The songs, in fact, and there is another song, Dil Bajda, is also a beautiful song. So उसमें भी proper the whole हवाएं, और वो भी दिल्ली में हमने शूट किया, वो भी monumental कुतुब में and all. जो अक्सर हम देखते हैं कपल्स जाके वहाँ पे फोटो लेते हैं, तो हमने वहाँ पे रोमांस करा.
So it's जब आप ये फिल्म देखोगे ना, so I think every guy would want a girl like Devika, and every girl would want a boy like Chirag in their lives. Like every scene between them is very sweet and
Cute.
very cute.
Talking about that,
Quick.
ऐसी कोई चीज जो देविका और खुशहाली में काफी मेल जोल करती है, and about Parth and Chirag.
So Devika and me, I think they're very relatable. In fact, this is my first character which I'm playing, which is very relatable to me. वो दिल्ली से है, मैं भी दिल्ली से हूँ, और आज के ज़माने की लड़की है. She's outspoken, open-minded. So there were a lot of things which I relate to her. and she is like a simple girl staying with her mother. ड्रामा स्यापे से बहुत दूर है, बट सबसे बड़ा ड्रामा उसी की लाइफ में हो जाता है
Life
जब
is a
उसकी मम्मी को उसके बॉयफ्रेंड के
Yeah.
पापा से प्यार हो जाता है.
Oh,
So yeah,
unexpected.
the whole complication starts after that.
Yeah.
A hilarious complication, I would say.
What about Chirag and Path? What's that similar thing between each other?
यार nothing. To be honest, he's a completely opposite of what I am. और चिराग जो है वो एकदम आउटगोइंग है, एक्सट्रोवर्ट है और दिल्ली का लौंडा है, और मैं जो हूँ पुणे का लड़का हूँ और महाराष्ट्रियन हूँ, पंजाबी बिल्कुल तो नहीं हूँ.
Yeah.
तो मेरे लिए एक चैलेंज था और वो फुल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाना, बिकॉज आई एम एन इंट्रोवर्ट गाय, शाय किस्म का इंसान हूँ. सो येस, आई थिंक द ओनली सिमिलैरिटी वुड बी टॉल देसी सेक्सी हैंडसम देसी मुंडा.
मुंडा.
तो ये मुझे भी लागू होता है और ये चिराग को भी.
Oh,
Yes.
that's a similar thing. Amazing. Do you believe in love at first sight? कभी हुआ है real life में?
I do believe. I think if two people are meant to be and they're meant for each other, your souls they connect instantly. You don't need, I think, too many meetings. It just starts happening
और
on
ऐसे ही
its own.
पता चल जाता है like
Yeah.
it has some kind of connection.
Kind of connection. So I do believe in that.
Yeah. What about you?
मैंने कहा ना, आई बिलीव इन द बॉलीवुडिश.
Yeah. So obviously.
मेरे लिए तो
yes.
वो होना जरूरी है. आँखों में तेरी अजब सी बस स्लो मोशन में हाई स्पीड पे चलता रहे.
Okay. So Parth, what's that one thing about Khushali that you want to change? And same goes for Khushali. What's that one thing that you want to change about Parth?
Change.
There's nothing I want. He's good the way he is, full of energy, and he has little bit of annoying habits. He keeps annoying people, but that is also, I think, part of fun. It should be there.
Yeah.
Otherwise, things get boring. You should
Boring.
keep having. I think he has a good blend of everything.
Yeah.
So it's
sweet.
nice the way he is. Please stay like that.
Thank you. Thank you.
What about you?
I think she should be more socializing because she doesn't step out much. तो
I'm a
वो
very-
and she prefers to be at home. तो आई थिंक हमारी इंडस्ट्री जो है
वहाँ पे सब
it's-
बोल रहे हैं मेरे को. Listen to him.
हमारी इंडस्ट्री जो है वो मतलब जो भी है, नो मैटर हाउ वी आर, वी हैव टू मीट पीपल,
Yeah.
वी हैव टू बी वेरी सोशल फ्रेंडली विद देम, वी हैव टू मेक रिलेशंस, वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी आर अवेलेबल ओवर देयर एंड वी आर रीचिंग आउट टू यू गाइज फॉर वर्क.
Yeah.
So that is something needs to be addressed to.
Yeah.
So yeah,
That's
she needs
it.
to
I think
incorporate that.
Yeah, I guess आप दोनों जब मिले होंगे तो आपकी वाइब ऐसी मैच हो गई क्योंकि you also said in many of your interviews that you are shy. पहले बहुत shy थे और
Correct.
अभी आपने socialization start किया है.
Correct, correct.
Same about you. Are you the thing? आपने भी इतना socialize नहीं करते हो आप. So are you the typical introvert person or the shy person?
Yeah, I am. I would say actually, coming to Bombay, I was very focused that I want to just focus on my work here, and somehow, even when I am playing, when I started like doing Sachi's character, there were such intense characters. Automatically, it just started cutting me off with people. I started staying more at home, more with the zone which I was going through. I think it's the whole work thing and all that has now just started keeping me at home. I enjoy that, but yeah, now I want to even step out, which I think I should.
Yeah.
I
And you're
will
doing
start.
it very well.
Yeah.
I
hope
saw you
so.
at the screening. Full on
Yeah,
energy.
yeah. No, when I have to do it, then I go
Yeah.
completely out. So it's not that I don't have it in me; it's there, but it's just depending on the whole, I think, vibe and zone of the things which are happening around my
Selective.
life.
Yeah.
My life that time, I go with that.
Yeah. And talking about that, you have also worked in Ded
Ded
Bighe
Bigha
Zameen, Ded Bigha Zameen, जहाँ पे आपका जो रोल था इससे बहुत ही, अगर कंपेयर किया जाए तो बहुत ही अलग था. That was typical, एकदम ही serious रोल
Yes,
था आपका,
yeah.
and this is kind of rom-com genre and very comedy movie. So do you want to explore more? Do you want to stay still in rom-com genre, or you want to pursue?
I want to explore anything and everything.
Yeah, as an artist,
Yes,
of course,
I want to. For me, the story should be nice. It should be engaging. That's what matters. And of course, it's in fact it's challenging as an artist. When you have to do something which is not you. For me to look like Devika was convincing. Was easy in a way to look like Pooja from Ded Bigha Zameen. Firstly, itself it was a challenge to look a girl from that world.
True.
To look from that lower middle class from where she's coming. So all of these things as an artist, I think every actor looks forward to do anything where it's more challenging. I had to pick up the dialect, the entire thing. So was a great learning experience and was I learned a lot on that set. It was a whole different way of filming also, I would say. It's more of real cinema, and I like mix of both. I would want to do this also and I want to do that as well.
Yeah, so true. Let's do a fun quick segment.
Yeah.
Recreate your favorite romantic scene, like now.
Recreate
Your favorite romantic scene.
Both
from-
of us.
Yeah.
as in emoji के through.
नहीं.
फिर
In general.
In general, from Gurchari or you any of the movie that you really like, the romantic scene.
अगर तुम मुझको यूं ही देखते रहोगे तो मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो जाएगा फिर से,
ठीक है.
और तुमको नहीं होगा.
हम जीते एक बार है, मरते एक बार है, शादी एक बार होती है और प्यार भी कई बार होता है.
Nice. Okay, first thing you both noticed about each other when you met for the very first
बोलूं?
time.
हाँ please.
So when I met him, it was COVID. We were doing that bubble time we were shooting. So you know, I got to know that so and so is playing. So we were meeting first time on set. So I went through his Instagram profile, and when I met him, he had gained weight. He looked different from that. And then I even after the shoot I asked him, and then he's like, "Nahi, abhi out of work and this that." So yeah,
बेरोजगारी.
Oh my god.
that was one thing which I told. But he's been during, in fact, even during our Gurchari shoot, even agar call time morning 5 o'clock ka hoega, he used to go to the gym before that and then come on set. So he was that dedicated.
Very nice. What about Khushali that you noticed?
What I noticed.
Yeah.
She was-
First thing.
What the image that I had was obviously matlab, coming from a T-series family and everything, and then it was literally my first song to be a part of the whole production and the song. So I had that image that she has that whole air about herself. She must be. When I met her, she came across as a very simple, grounded, normal, professional human being. With no tantrums, zero tantrums. And in fact, throughout the shoot also she had zero tantrums. So yeah, in fact I was the one who was asking for food.
Oh my god.
Yeah. But yeah, she was very flexible that way. So
That is
very
so
easy. And I have told her after the shoot also, even abhi tak मैं बोलता हूँ, by far that shoot of ours in Goa that we shot, एक तो location भी बढ़िया थी, Goa.
Goa, yes it is.
So by far that shoot of ours was the best shoot for me
Oh,
that I've had in my
yeah,
career.
with the best place.
वेरी रिलैक्स्ड, वेरी कंफर्टिंग, स्ट्रेस फ्री, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं, आराम से चल रहा है, गुड फूड भी आ रहा है, सी फूड भी खा रहा हूँ, मस्त एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ, गोवा का वेदर, बीच, एवरीथिंग, एंड प्लस द शूट, द सॉन्ग, एवरीथिंग वाज वेंट वेरी स्मूथली.
That's what. Yes. And one piece of advice that you would like to give to each other.
वन पीस ऑफ एडवाइस, एक पीस दे दो.
Piece of advice.
ये रखो.
What piece of advice I'll give him? I just can't.
Start
think.
making friends.
Huh? For me?
Yeah.
Socialize more.
Socialize more.
Yeah, and no, I'm not giving him any advice. Be the way you are.
Oh my God.
Be the way you are. Let not. I'm sure you'll get a lot of success after this film. Don't let that get on to you. Stay the way you are.
Okay. अरे no,
Yeah.
I will obviously
Yeah,
stay
he
the
will.
way I am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's quickly do most likely to segment. आपके सामने क्वेश्चंस हैं. आप एक क्वेश्चन
मारना
अपने
है?
हाथ में हाँ.
एक दूसरे को.
मोस्ट लाइकली टू, अगर जिसका आपको लगता है कि ये इंसान है तो फिर आप उनको ऐसे मारोगे क्वेश्चन से.
ये जोर से मत मार.
Obviously मैं तो फटाक करके तुम
He
पीछे
is
गिरोगे.
quite capable, seriously.
Who is most likely to laugh in serious situations?
I think it depends on how the situation. I can burst out laughing.
You can.
When my sister's there in front of me, we would actually we start laughing in some situation and we won't stop.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it's you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Not on face, but anywhere.
अच्छा okay.
Yeah.
तो फिर यहाँ ऐसे.
Cushion से मारना है.
Who's most likely to forget lines?
I forget lines.
मैं नहीं भूलता, मुझे पता है बस.
मैं कभी भी नहीं भूली हूँ lines.
मैं भूलता ही नहीं हूँ.
I know we both are actually bang on with our lines.
हम रोज बादाम खाते हैं.
Okay.
I'm very this thing.
Who's most likely to roast?
Roast.
रोस्ट. अरे मैं तो नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
नहीं.
I can't even see others doing it. It's very.
Who's most likely to bring snacks every time during the set?
अपने लिए.
Who's most likely to play pranks on set? Yeah.
जोर से क्यों मार रही हो?
ये कुशन को मारा.
करारा जवाब मिलेगा.
Who's most likely to come up with the best pickup lines? Okay.
बढ़ता जा रहा है, प्रेशर बढ़ता जा रहा है.
Who's most likely to get emotional more?
ये रखो. और कुछ बचा रहेगा ये पौधा भी उठा के रख लेना, टेबल भी उठा के रख लेना, ठीक है?
Okay. Who's most likely to give the best compliments?
Best compliment.
Best compliments.
To give the best compliment.
Give the best compliment. I always give honest compliments. So does that count?
Yeah, that can be both ways.
No, I think our director, Binoy.
Binoy.
Okay.
Binoy for you.
Binoy.
For
Yeah,
you.
this goes for Binoy.
This goes for
really.
Binoy.
Okay. Who's most likely to get zoned out?
Me.
This one.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to fake a compliment?
नहीं.
No, we both
fake
don't do
नहीं.
that.
हाँ.
Who's most likely to ignore a phone call? And lastly, who's most likely to tell a bad joke?
हाँ. मतलब बोलने के बाद उसको बोलना पड़ता है जोक था.
Shut up, yeah.
हाँ.
Well, thank you so much,
You don't
guys.
Thank you.
understand.
नहीं
That's
देखा?
the thing. मुझे समझ नहीं आता है तो कोई क्या करे?
Thank you
At
so
least I'm
much.
always cracking jokes.
Yeah.
फिर बोलना पड़ता है ये जोक था.
ये joke था. हाँ था तो.
हाँ तो exactly.
I don't like jokes.
I'm with you. Don't worry. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
guys. It was
We had a
lovely,
great
lovely
time.
meeting you. Thank you,
Yes,
and
thank
all
you
the
so
very,
much.
very best
Thank
for
you
Good
so
Study.
much.
Thank
Thanks
you,
a lot.
guys.
Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah.
Good Study releases on 9th of August. Please watch it. With us.
Guys.